Hey, what up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to find unknown sources on the OnePlus 5T. Go to settings. It took me a while to find it. I couldn't find it on every other phone. All you have to do is go to security and it should be somewhere in here, but it's not. So what I had to do is go to your apps and then go to see app permissions. No, not that one. Where is it? App list, and then go to Chrome, and then you're gonna go down to where it says install unknown apps. Right here at the bottom, just click on it, and then all you have to do is click enable, and now you can install APKs on your phone. It took me a while to find this. I couldn't figure it out where it was, but there it is. And if this video helped out, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.